A beautiful flip by TLC Homes and BQN's home improvement up and coming Anacostia, priced less than 1-bedroom condo in DC without the condo fee. Beautiful and totally renovated townhouse a few blocks to Anacostia Metro in 5 minutes. Drive to downtown DC. 3 fully finished level with open floor plan and a big private deck with great green view. Main level with good size living room, separate sun-filled dining room and a huge gourmet kitchen with granite counter, stainless steel appliances, lots of 42-inch wood cabinets including large wall cabinet with bar and a cute little power room. Upper level with 2 good-sized bedrooms and beautiful modern full bath. Large basement baths, large finished basement. New windows, HVAC, paint, lighting, fixtures, refinished wood floor. Minto Metro, downtown DC and I-295. Hurry!